a big band of Slovene Armed Forces Band.
Ne čakaj pomladi, ne čakaj na maj, lekaj ti bo sonce in rože zakaj. Saj lička so rožni cveti, oči žare sonca sveti. Ne čakaj pomladi, ne čakaj na maj, kaj mar ti zeleni raj. Srce nič ne čaka, pije ti blaga, nič je ljubav. Zakaj čakala bi na maj? In rože zakaj, saj lička so rožni cveti, oči žare sonca sveti. Ne čakaj pomladi, ne čakaj na maj, kar ti zeleni čakala bi na maj. Hvala lepa. Thank you very much.
Katja Richter.
Ko ura brez kazalcev noče šteti je ura vseh ljubimcev, ura avantur. Saj ura brez kazalcev časa ne prizna, je najbolj čudna ura, kar jih svet pozna. Ta ura brez kazalcev dela letih dan, sedaj ko si ne zora ali pa domra. In taka čudna ura je zaljubljeno srce, ki gre, pa ljubi, ljubiš in še. Tesno objemi me sedaj, o marcenih plažih mi šebetaj. Znova s tem srce nabijaš mi za nekaj drugih lepših srečnih dni. O uri brez kazalcev nikdar konca ni, pa vendar ne šteje dnevov in noči. pa vendar ne šteje dneve in noči. Saj tale čudna ura je zaljubljena srce, ki gre in gre, ko ljubi, ljubi, ljubi še in še. Hvala lepa, thank you.
I'm sitting on a rainbow. I got a string around my finger. What a world, what a life. I'm in love. I've got a song that I sing, and I can make the rain go every time I move my finger. Like me, can't you see? I'm in love. Love's a wonderful thing, as long as pull that string. Breaking, I feel silly so and so old, but I will never let you go. Thank you. I've got the world on a string. I'm sitting on a rainbow. Got a string around my finger. Like me, can't you see? I'm in love. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jake on the saxophone. God damn it. That's a wonderful thing, as long as cold as raining. I feel silly so and so old, that I would never let you go. I've got the world on a string. I'm sitting on the rainbow. Got a string around my finger. What a world, what a love. Oh, what a world, what a love. What a world, what a love. I'm in love. Oh, we got a world on the string. Oh, baby, got a world on the string. My baby, oh, love. Hey!
Spoštovani, Slovenska vojska aktivno sodeluje s civilnim prebivalstvom in običajno se mi, torej vojska, zahvaljujemo vsem civilnim organizacijam, ki z nami sodelujejo in sodelujete. Danes pa nam je v veliko čast, saj bomo priča obratni smeri zahvale. V ta namen vabim oba spoštovana gospoda Batagela, direktorja družbe Postojnska jama in pa poveljnika prve brigade Slovenske vojske. Gospoda, izvolite.
Dober dan, spoštovane gostje in gosti. Slučaj je hotel, da je danes točno 4 leta od trenutka, ko sem prevzel Postojnsko jamo. V tem času se je zgodilo veliko lepega, bil je pa tudi trenutek, ki ga nikoli ne bomo pozabili. Takrat smo rekli, da se je v Postojni zgodila ledena doba. Ni bilo lepo, ampak takrat, ko ni lepo, spoznaš, kdo je ob tebi. Bili smo brez elektrike, temperature so padale, leden objem je bil 10 cm debel. In takrat se je kot ena zvezda z neba pokazala Slovenska vojska. Takrat nam je pomagala čistiti tudi ta park. Tistih nekaj dni. Mi smo ga čistili 3 mesece. In tako neizmerno hvaležni smo jim za tiste trenutke, ko so bili z nami, ko so nam dali upanje, da skupaj se nekaj da narediti. In tako kot je Postojnska jama ponos slovenskega turizma, je Slovenska vojska ponos tega naroda. In ne bo še dolgo tako. Hvala.
Jaz bi se rad zahvalil za to pozornost, ki me je zelo presenetila gospodu Batagelju. Bi samo rekel, da je Slovenski vojski vedno v ponos, kadar lahko pomaga prebivalcem Republike Slovenije in da so vaje, kot je ta, tudi zato, da takrat, ko nas boste rabili, bomo vedno ne samo na razpolago, ampak da bomo vedno tudi pripravljeni in usposobljeni pomagati. Hvala lepa. That's probably for the English-speaking audience. This place, Postojna, it's not just complex emergency or civil disaster exercise that we are doing now. It's a couple of months ago there was a pretty significant natural disaster caused by heavy ice rain. And my brigade was working hard, almost 1 month on this. So Mr. Batagil, as the director of this facility, just gave me a present in appreciation of what my brigade did in this area. So I thank him for that, really sincere.
Yeah. your fever pictures bring me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me how the night lay your ship bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching your fever pictures, bring me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could be having love. No, we couldn't do. You have no heart inside your head. That's the pain with the feeling. Baby, I have no stories to be told. I've heard one of you, I'm gonna make you get burned. Think of me, the death of your despair. Make her home down there if mine shall won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we couldn't have it all. Only you can be. You had no heart inside of your head. That's the pain with the feeling we couldn't have it all. Only you can be. You had no heart inside of your head. That's the pain with the feeling. Know your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasures gold. You can be back in kind and reap just what you sow. You're gonna waste your we could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all, it all, it all. We could have had it all. Only you can see. You had no heart inside of your head. That's the pain with the feeling. We could have had it all. Only you can see. You had no heart inside of your head. That's the pain, the pain, the pain, the pain with the feeling. Hvala lepa.
Katja Richter. Oh, my dear. Looking back on when I was a little net-headed boy, then my only worry was the Christmas that would be my toy. Even though sometimes when I get a thing, we were happy with the joy that they would bring. Sneaking out the back door to hang out with those hoodlum friends of mine. Greedy out the back door, I thought I told you not to go outside. Trying to pass the bring the water to your eyes. It's telling about your playing doctor with a girl. Just until I give you anything you want in this whole wide world. Mama give you money for the Sunday school. You take off for candy after shutting through. Smoking cigarettes out, writing something nasty on the wall. What you bet you to the principles of facing down the call. Take it to the crib. You grow up and learn that kind of thing and right. But try you and do it, get your fat outside. I wish those days could come back once more. I miss those days. I can't go. I wish those days could come back once more. I miss those days. I have to go. I love them so. Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water. When I think of all the things that is said in my head, I paint a picture. Feels like I'm cold, where my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way I like to dress. Won't you come on over, stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Jail. Put your house up for sale. Did you get a good lawyer? Hope you didn't catch a tan. I hope you'll find the right man who'll fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. And are you busy? Did you campaign that fine? You've been dodging all the time. Are you dizzy? Take it to the bridge now. She's a common cold, but my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way I like to dress. look across the water, better think of all the things that you said, and in my head I paint a picture. Since I come home, where my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way I like to dress. Won't you come on over, stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, Valerie, Valerie. Did you have to go to jail? Put your house up for sale. Did you get a good lawyer? Hope you'll get to tan. I hope you'll find the right man, fix it for you. Since I come home, where my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way I like to dress. Alright, man, what's coming over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come over, Valerie? Valerie, 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 play me start tonight. Hvala lepa. I've been through all the changes, but a lot of stuff came down. I deal with all the issues. You might say I've been around, but back when I got started, there was a righteous sound. It doesn't matter what I've been through, I'm still been digging on James Brown. You know, the more things change, the more they stay the same. Maybe a different age, but I'm on the same page. But things that I found, I'm simply digging on James Brown. An attitude adjustment, I did some psychotherapy. I had myself do some self-help. I dabble in some ESP. What is changing? And I moved from town to town. It doesn't matter where it's been through, I'm simply digging on James Brown. You know, the more things change, the more they stay the same. Maybe it's different age, but I'm on the same page. One thing that I found, I'm simply digging on James Brown. You got your rap and your disco, you got your drum machine, you got your R-rated gangster, I got your grungy scene, you got your state-of-the-art, you got your digital sound. It doesn't matter where it's going to, I'll simply digging on James Brown. digging on James Brown. I said be digging on James Brown. What a lady. I said be digging on James Brown. I said be digging on James Brown. Yeah. Like your Fred Wesley, like your Maceo Parker, like your James Brown. Let me horn. Let the horn sound. Give me that horn. 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 There's one thing that I found. I'm simply digging on James Brown. There's one thing that I found. I'm simply digging on James Brown. There's one thing that I found. I'm simply digging on James Brown.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Lep pozdrav vsem skupaj. Hi everybody. Z moje strani en lep pozdrav v tem lepem vremenu in nekaj skladb za vse vas. Hvala lepa.
Tečejo pradavne reke in v tujih svetovih so doma. Meni je otožnost daljne stepe, ki matijo narava ne pozna. Meni še gorijo stražni ognji in kako ljubljeni v oči žari. Meni še divjajo divji konji, ki na pomladi staje se spusti. Ciganska ti me vleče naprej, v stezah sem zapisana za moja pota. Ciganska ti me vleče brez mej, je kruta moja priča usoda. Ciganska ti me vleče naprej, sam zapisana za moja pota. Ciganska ti me vina brez mej, je kruta moja priča usoda. Meni se pretakajo povesti, ki jih o bogih starke pravijo. Meni je na tisoče ljubezni, ki na potokih dale čakajo. Meni črnolasa so dekleta, ki bosih nog na plodu pišejo. Meni so še pesmi neizpete, ki vetru duši prisluškujejo. Ciganska ti me vleče naprej, v stezah sem zapisana za moja pota. Ciganska ti me vina brez mej, je kruta moja priča usoda. Ciganska ti me vleče naprej, v stezah sem zapisana za moja pota.
Thank you, hvala lepa vsem. Vrača se pomlad. Njena soba, majhna lepa, šopek roč. Bela okna so zastrta, dan je noč. Čudovito, kako sanje je telo. Z njenih usten pesem pije moj poljub. Dnevi sreče, bežne tihe kot nasmeh. Svet vsakdanji se potaplja, molk megle. Vedno znova tisoč majhnih nežnosti in poljubi so obljube večnosti. Vrača se pomlad, a ljubezen ne, in spomini z njo kot jata ptic znova zaživi. Vrača se pomlad, a življenje ne, v srcu sivo splan in radijo svojih src. Ista soba, majhna ozka, a brez rož. Bela okna so odprta na stežaj. Jok otroka, mlada žena, tujec jaz. In oddaleč hrup iz ceste kot posmeh. Vrača se pomlad, a ljubezen ne, in spomini z njo kot jata ptic znova zaživi. Vrača se pomlad, a ljubezen ne, v srcu sivo splan in radijo svojih src. Vrača se pomlad, a ljubezen ne, in spomini z njo kot jata ptic znova zaživi. Vrača se pomlad, a življenje ne, v srcu sivo splan in radijo svojih svet. Hvala lepa. Vsem skupaj. Well, this was some songs from our Slovenian side, and now we'd like to do a number for all of us, especially from all our friends from the United States. Sorry, but yesterday was the day that we lost Elvis once again, but he lives in our hearts. And we would like to do a number for you now, which he did mostly on the concerts, an American trilogy. Oh, I wish I was in the land of cotton. Old times there are not forgotten. Look away, look away, look away, Dixieland. Oh, I wish I was in Dixie, away, away, in Dixieland. I'll take my stand to live and die in Dixie, for Dixieland. That's where I was born. Early Lord, one frosty morn. Look away, look away, look away, Dixieland. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah, hallelujah. Yeah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His song is marching So hush, little baby, don't you cry. You know your daddy's bound to die. But all my trials, Lord, soon be over. Thank you. Hvala lepa. All right, Mr. Sir. All right.
Bodo pa zelo skupno, je dolg čakajo tam.
A Dixi po njim?
Mislim, da bodo kaj miks naredili.
With a language we all understand, yeah. With an equal opportunity, but they're saying that clap their hands. Because a record doesn't have a rule of making it through, but you can start right away with letter A, the people start to move. They can feel it all over. You can feel it all over, people. You can feel it all over. You can feel it all over, people. Go! Music knows it and it always will be one of the things that life just won't quit, yeah. But here are some more music pioneers. The time has not allowed us to forget now, cause everything is sensual and people also do. But with the voice like killers ringing out, there's no way to back the blues. They can feel it all over. They can feel it all over, people. They can feel it all over. They can feel it all over, people. You can feel it all